In less than 4 hours, the nation will get more answers on the status of its money. The U.S. Treasury Secretary will be in the hot seat on Capitol Hill testifying about the nation's banking industry. Janet Yellen was on Face the Nation on Sunday, and this is what she had to say then.
The American banking system is really safe and well capitalized. It's resilient.
Turbulence on Wall Street.
There were major stock losses after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank.
The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB as it's called, is reverberating locally. Thousands of Ohio teachers are now caught up in the aftermath. 10 TV reporter Kevin Landers is live downtown to explain all this. Kevin?
Well, good morning. Ohio wasn't the only state that was hit hard by the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Other pension funds across the country also took big losses. Now, according to the Ohio State Teachers Retirement System, it posted on its website as of last Wednesday, STRS Ohio held shares of Silicon Valley Bank worth $27.2 million, or 0.03% of STRS Ohio's total fund. And many other public pension funds also had shares in SVP. STRS says it did not own shares of Signature or Silverlight, which are two other financial institutions involved in the current crisis. What is unclear at this hour is how much of this lost money will be recovered. The state teachers' retirement system says collective actions taken by the Treasury Department and Federal Reserve have helped to mitigate the situation facing the banking industry. Now, since Silicon Valley Bank collapsed last week, many depositors have been yanking their money out of small banks and putting it into accounts at bigger banks like Wells Fargo and Bank of America.
It's certainly not great in the context of the bank failures that we suffered here earlier this week. You know, everyone's on edge, and it just adds to the angst.
Now, we're told that at least 26 pension funds across the country were involved in SVB. We'll be following the story throughout the day. Reporting live downtown, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.
All right, Kevin, thank you for the update.